Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of coding education with Codecademy. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes or a professional seeking to enhance your skills, Codecademy claims to offer something for everyone. Let's explore what this platform has to offer. Codecademy is on a mission to revolutionize education, starting with coding. This platform provides a variety of non-profit initiatives that aim to make learning to code engaging and rewarding. From web development to cybersecurity, Codecademy offers courses that cater to both beginners and more experienced professionals. The best part? Many of their courses are available for free, with paid plans offering additional features, courses, community support, and even professional opportunities. Getting started with Codecademy is a breeze. Simply sign up for free, and the platform will guide you on where to begin. By taking a short quiz, you can identify your programming personality, helping you kickstart your learning journey. With over 250 video tutorials available on their YouTube channel, Codecademy has expanded its resources to include video lessons. However, keep in mind that these videos may be more suitable for adult learners. Initially focused on teaching beginners, Codecademy has since expanded its offerings to include more advanced courses. Whether you want to learn a specific programming language or dive into topics like mobile app development, Codecademy has you covered. Premium users can even enroll in career path courses that bundle related courses under a common theme, earning you certificates upon completion. Once you're enrolled in a course, you'll find a syllabus overview, prerequisite courses, and a supportive learning environment. As you progress, you'll tackle challenges and build practical skills step by step. The beauty is that your progress is saved, allowing you to pick up where you left off. Codecademy keeps you engaged by awarding badges for achievements, offering clickable hints, and even providing a timer to keep you on track. Need help? Codecademy has got you covered. Each lesson comes with a dedicated Q&A forum, enabling you to interact with fellow students and troubleshoot together. You can also schedule meetups with local students or join the Codecademy Discord channel for live chats. Premium users can access more advanced projects and resources, adding another layer to the learning experience. Learning to code can be a challenging journey, but Codecademy strives to make it fun and rewarding. With a mix of engaging lessons, practical exercises, and motivating rewards. It's clear that Codecademy understands the importance of keeping learners engaged. While the free courses are a great starting point, remember that premium subscriptions unlock the full potential of Codecademy's course catalog. That wraps up our exploration of Codecademy. If you're considering learning to code or enhancing your coding skills, be sure to weigh the options and choose the path that suits you best. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.